Your car won't start and you're stuck with a dead battery. Don't panic. It is lightweight and compact, suitable for placement in a car. This is a portable car jump starter. You don't need another car or jumper cables. It comes with smart clamps to protect against reverse polarity and short circuits. Thicker clamps with a tighter grip ensure stronger conductivity and more reliable jump starts. First, make sure your car is turned off and all electronics are switched off. Connect the red clamp to the positive terminal and the black clamp to the negative terminal or a solid metal ground. Once the engine is running, remove the clamps in reverse order.